Okay guys, today I'm painting cabinets and I got them masked up and everything, but I was gonna brush them and use a roller, a paint roller, and a brush to kind of get into the corners of these cabinets. Well, a paint roller would probably did a good job for the cabinets, how I got them masked up. But I opted to use my paint spray. I got an old Wagner, probably the first Wagner paint spray gun that they made that was on the market. Of course, they got way better ones now, but I'm getting amazing results using this Wagner paint spray gun, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm glad I didn't kind of roll the paint, even though it would have looked good. You may possibly have got some kind of streaks along the paint. It wouldn't give it a professional look, or even some lines in the paint from if I did use a brush, or even with the roller. There's some great rollers out there. I bought some microfiber rollers, and they're pretty good. They won't leave a lint or any marks on the cabinet, but I don't think they'll give it the finish of a factory paint. So let me show you guys what I'm painted, but the finish looked like they were bought like this. I'm wearing these blue safety glasses. They also helps me with, because it's so sunny out here, I can see if I'm missing any spots. And so far, it was just one coat giving it that professional look. And I'm using this Wagner paint sprayer, and I just think the tip with this is to keep the nozzle clean every so often, and you'll get an even flow with the paint. Let me show you guys. I'm a little low on paint too. Okay guys, I forgot to show you guys what kind of paint I'm using. It's a Pittsburgh Ultra. These are for cabinets or trim. It's a satin, latex satin paint. I'm not using any paint thinners or anything with the paint sprayer. Just pouring it directly into the canister, and I'm painting with it. And so far, I'm getting great results. So I just want to make sure you guys see that. Guys, it's also great for getting in the seams. Okay guys, I'm gonna roll a door that I'm not gonna use. It was a door off one of the older cabinets. Just gonna give it a little roll and see what kind of better finish I'll get. Okay guys, both are dry. You can see the roller. Doesn't look bad. I definitely will have to go over it again. And this is the paint sprayer. It's a huge difference. Just one coat. Another thing, the roller can get inside of there, so I would have to take a brush and get between that seam, whereas the paint sprayer got between that seam easily. This is just one coat. The roller, sprayer. I'll let you guys be the judge, but it's definitely best for me to spray these because I'm gonna have a professional look when I'm done and hang the cabinets. So subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll show you guys an updated the kitchen when I get done with it. I'll be doing the floors. I bought some light-proof tile. I'll be installing those in a couple of days, and I'll show you guys the updated kitchen. So subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think, and also hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload the newest content or the latest content. Terrence, I'm out.